Alright, so tonight's video is on one-step multiplication word problems. So that entails that we need to do a lot of careful reading. Our focus when we read a word problem should be anyways, what is the question? What details are given? Then we can draw a model or just solve it if it's simple enough. And then we need to make sure our answer is reasonable. So our first problem is, Flora has 9 more tulips than roses. If she has 6 roses, how many tulips does she have? First thing we do is we need to notice what is given, okay? I've done what is given in one color, and I've done the question in a different color. Now, you're not always going to have colored tools, I understand. But just for today's lesson, I've done it that way. So what we know is that she has 9 times more tulips than roses. We know we're comparing tulips and roses. If she has 6 roses, how many tulips does she have? Our actual question at the end is, how many tulips does she have? We need to make sure that's what we find out. So we're going to make a model. We know that she has tulips and roses, and we know that she has 6 roses. It says so in the question. It says that she has 9 times more tulips than roses. So 9 times her tulips, okay? So we know that 9 times 6 is 54. She still only has 6 roses. Just scooting that down so you can see them next to each other. Okay, so now we know that she has 54 tulips. Let's go back and reread the question always. How many tulips does she have? Flora has 54 tulips. And we've answered our question completely. Okay, here's our next practice problem. Albert buys 6 TVs. The cost of each TV is $259. What is the cost of 6 TVs? Okay, so what we know is that he's buying 6. And we also know that each one is $259. So I'm going to put down that one TV is $259, and he's buying 6 TVs, okay? And the question is, what is the cost of 6 TVs? Well, that sounds like we're doing 259 times 6. Now, this is where we decide which strategy do we want to use to do that multiplication work. You can draw an area model. You can just go straight to partial products. In this case, I'm going to do partial products. So I'm going to stack them up. 6 times 200 is 1,200. 6 times 50 is 30 with an extra 0 because that's 50. And 6 times 9 is 54. I ran out of room to add those. 0, 0, and 4 makes 4. 0, 0, and 5 makes 5. 2 and 3 makes 5. And 1, nothing else, makes 1,000. He spent $1,554 on 6 TVs. Boy, I hope they were giving away Christmas presents. Okay, so when you do your quiz questions, make sure you do it the way we've done it in the video. You may not have your colors, but at least you can pull out the information that is given and underline the question. And do some sort of organization on your notebook paper showing your thinking and how you're organizing your thoughts. Good luck on the questions.